The world is on a mission to reduce the impact of greenhouse gases and air pollutions for a more sustainable future. However, the success of those efforts rely on our ability to credibly trace and measure harmful emissions. Without reliable emissions data, we will not know the true effectiveness of our environmental initiatives, our reductions, or even how to put together fair and effective regulations. This is what Explicit is all about, making a difference in how we monitor emissions. At the heart, Explicit is a data provider. By focusing on the data delivery, we've made it our priority to ensure the information we provide to our clients about their emissions is as reliable and actionable as possible. We apply solid engineering skills to develop both the sampling methods, instrument technology, and data acquisition software that allow us to deliver on that promise. We also try to report and visualize the data, like we do with our DFM method, in a way that help our clients understand their sources better, their baselines, and where to look for reduction potentials. We select and integrate technologies depending on the measurement task, always keeping our options open for innovations in sensors, platforms, and methods, and then we tie it all together using proprietary software, IoT, and cloud computing. That's the innovation, being able to get from the source of an emission to a reportable result. Where we're not able to fly on our own, we work with reputable pilot operators, trained and certified by us, to get the drones in the air and collect the data. As a fully ISO accredited test lab, we're able to provide our clients with an impartial assessment to verify their actual fugitive emissions at site level, which complies with the high quality standards for environmental inspections. At Explicit, we're dedicated to using science, technology, and innovation to help deliver critical environmental data. We look forward to helping you achieving your climate goals.